This is my Bedsure weighted heating pad with a massager. So this is an electric heating pad, excellent for any kind of back pain relief or just relief anywhere really around your body, because it's just easy to place anywhere where you might have some pain. So this actually has a vibrating function on it as well. So you can see I've plugged it in, and we're just kind of choosing the settings. So you can go low, medium, or high. You can also choose if you want it to shut off after 30 minutes or after 2 hours. So I've gone with the higher setting because I am feeling super achy after a hard workout yesterday. And then for the weight, it weighs about 5 pounds, which is excellent for just soothing you or calming you. I know I have a few weighted blankets and they just calm me instantly. If you have any kind of anxiety, that weight on you is really going to relax you. And then of course the heat feels great for any pain, and then the vibration just amps it up one more level. If you have like period cramps or just joint pain or anything, that vibration is going to feel really good. So I've just placed it throughout my body. Definitely recommend it. I am so happy with it. It comes in 2 different colors. Check it out.